This Cherimoya is very, I guess, unique. Look at the shape. It looks like that on pretty much all this tree, this entire tree here. There's 3 fruits. So the shapes of the fruit is, I don't even know how to describe it. Let's see, this is done. Let's try it. It's weird. And then something ate, stole all my fruits, stole these types of fruits. Let's see. It ate all my fruits. So this one, not ready yet. And then there were a couple over there that went missing too. A couple of the fruits went missing, gone. I was gonna pick it, but I guess no more. Nothing to pick now. See that? I think a couple of them went missing. 2 on this tree. Let's see. Okay. And then, oh, I think there were a couple here as well. And that's gone. I saw a couple sweet of fruits. Okay. All that is gone, the fruits. And then here is the mango that I pull out from the ground and put it back into the pot. So it looks healthier now, and it's surviving the winter. I think I've been getting, for the last several days, it was really cold in the low 40s or below 40s. So seems like it's doing really good. And then I'm air laying some ice cream beans here. I think I've seen several flowers, but then I don't know, something must have ate all those flowers. Okay. So ice cream bean is doing pretty good. See, in comparison to these Cherimoya, look at the shapes of this fruit. So it looks pretty interesting. Oh, something's been eating all my fruits. Look at that. There used to be so many fruits here, and then it all went missing. The dawn, whatever, stole it all. Okay, even the one that I put inside the pot, it basically chewed through the pot. It's pretty big now. Let's see this one. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pick a couple here. Let's see. I have a double pot now because it chewed through my pot. So putting 2 pots in there. I'm gonna have to protect this, otherwise it's gonna go missing too. And I'm gonna go find some more pots to protected, so I have to double pot it. See, I have to double pot this. Otherwise, it's gonna go missing. And flowers on this mango tree. Looks like this one is giving up flower too. It's a lot of flowers. So we're in mid-February right now, February the 21st. And look like that's doing really well, this tree. Very productive tree. I like this tree.